Have you ever tried to convert text into binary, only to find yourself stuck? It can be a bit tricky, right? If you're facing this challenge, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to help you create a binary translator in Python. I totally get it. It can be frustrating when your code doesn't work as expected, especially when you think you're so close to a solution. You're not alone in this. Many people struggle with similar issues when learning to code. Here's the specific situation we're looking at. One user asked, "I'm trying to write a binary translator with a string as input and its binary representation as output. But when I run my code, it just returns the same word I entered." Sound familiar? Let's dive into this together. So what could be going wrong? The issue here is that you're trying to use variable names as if they were strings. Instead, you need to map each character in your input to its corresponding binary representation. Let's break it down step by step. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a pro tip that will make your binary translator even better. To begin solving this problem, the user should create a dictionary that maps each letter to its corresponding binary representation. This will allow for easy lookup when converting the input string. Next, the user should modify the input handling. Instead of directly printing the input word, they will iterate through each character in the word and use the dictionary to find the corresponding binary value. Now, the user should ensure that the program handles characters that are not in the dictionary. This can be done by providing a default value when looking up characters. Finally, the user can run the program to test it. They should enter a word, and the program will output the binary representation for each letter, separated by spaces. Fun fact, the binary system is the foundation of all modern computing. Every piece of data you see on your screen is ultimately represented in binary. Pretty cool, right? Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach suggests using a dictionary for the binary translation. This method allows you to map each letter to its binary representation efficiently. You create a dictionary called letter to bin, where each letter is a key and its binary equivalent is the value. Additionally, a second dictionary, bin to letter, is created to reverse the mapping. This allows you to look up letters based on their binary values. The code uses the zip function to create this reverse mapping automatically. That's all for that response. Let's see what someone else had to say. An alternative solution suggests using a dictionary to map each letter to its binary representation. This method simplifies the process by allowing you to translate each letter in the input text directly. The user also corrected the ASCII codes to represent lowercase letters. They explained how to join the translated letters into a single string without any delimiter. Here's the pro tip I promised. Consider adding error handling to your code. This way, if a user enters a character that isn't in your dictionary, you can provide a helpful message instead of crashing the program. And there you have it. You should now be able to convert text to binary in Python. Remember, coding is all about practice and learning from mistakes. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button for more coding tips and keep experimenting with your projects.